Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to lock an image in Google Docs. This is very simple, just follow my steps. First, open up your Finder and then insert your image. Now as you can see, as I add text or spaces, this image will be moving, and I don't want this image to be moving. So I will go back, click on it, press on in front of text, and then select position options right here and click on fix position on page. This is essential. Then you can simply drag it where you want it to have, and it will be locked here and no longer move with the text. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.